Amid all the divorce rumors, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan have once again proven the strength of their bond. A rare and beautiful video of the couple has taken the internet by storm, showcasing their love and affection. In the undated clip, Aishwarya looks absolutely stunning in a traditional red outfit paired with jhumkas and a silver bindi. She radiates elegance, embodying grace and beauty. Abhishek, standing by her side in a sharp black bandhagla, complements Aishwarya perfectly. Together, they make an iconic couple, both in their traditional attire and in their love for one another. The video beautifully captures the warmth and affection they share. It's a moment of pure love and joy that fans just can't get enough of. Fans were quick to react. One user wrote, "She is so beautiful that she can make the moon shine," or wait to be more specific, "Stay in the sky just to catch a glimpse of her." Another added, "Absolutely stunning." Karwa Chauth is a festival of love and it holds a special meaning for this couple. Abhishek, in past interviews, shared how, even though he didn't originally believe in rituals, he fasts every year with Aishwarya. He says it's a way to support her and make the festival a symbol of equality and respect in their marriage. It's moments like these that show the real bond between Aishwarya and Abhishek, a love story that continues to inspire millions around the world. The inheritance dispute over the late Sanjay Kapoor's estate has taken a dramatic turn in the Delhi High Court. Karishma Kapoor's children, Samaira and Kian, are challenging the authenticity of their father's alleged will. The main focus of the case is whether the will, which is key to the estate, is really signed by Sanjay Kapoor. Senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani, representing Karishma's children, raised serious concerns about its authenticity. Before Justice Jyoti Singh, Jethmalani questioned the credibility of the will, pointing out that in certain crucial places, the document referred to Sanjay Kapoor as she and her. He argued, given the wisdom of the deceased, it was not possible that the will was signed by their father. Jethmalani highlighted a specific clause in the will, which referred to Sanjay Kapoor as a testatrix, the feminine form of the word testator. He said, when you find she and her 4 times in a will supposedly written by Sanjay Kapoor, a man known for precision and pride in his image, it's impossible to believe he drafted it. Jethmalani went further, saying, "This is an absurdity. It shows the audacity which people have to present something like this in court. Unless Sanjay was of unsound mind, he could never have signed this." In one of the hearing's most intense moments, Jethmalani called Priya Kapoor an acute gambler, suggesting she risked her husband's legacy for control. Good luck to her, he added, but not at the cost of 2 children being robbed of their inheritance. Jethmalani also raised questions about the will's origin, noting that there was no physical evidence like handwriting or photographs, only a digital footprint. He said, What we have is Sanjay Kapoor, a meticulous person, has only an alleged digital footprint. He is a digital ghost. He also pointed out the glaring omission of Sanjay Kapoor's mother, Rani Kapoor, from the will, saying, her exclusion defies logic and decency. Jethmalani argued that Priya Kapoor had taken control of the estate under the guise of widowhood, pointing to errors and inconsistencies throughout the will, such as misspelled names and wrong addresses. The Delhi High Court is set to resume hearing on 15 October, with the future of Sanjay Kapoor's estate hanging in the balance. Will the true intentions of Sanjay Kapoor be revealed? Only time will tell. In a night filled with glitz and glamour, Salman Khan made a rare and striking appearance as the showstopper at his close friend and ace designer Vikram Fadnees' grand fashion show, marking 35 glorious years in the fashion industry. The event, themed Vintage India, celebrated the richness of traditional Indian aesthetics. Over 100 models walked the ramp, showcasing reimagined archival pieces, paying tribute to timeless craftsmanship and classic design. Salman Khan took the spotlight with his effortless regal presence, walking the ramp to thunderous applause. Dressed in a traditional black kurta pajama paired with an embroidered Sherwani-style jacket, he looked every bit the vintage superstar. The jacket, made from rich silk, featured intricate gold and maroon floral embroidery along the shoulders, chest, and sleeves, showcasing Vikram Fadnees' signature opulent detailing. Completing the look with black leather shoes and his iconic slick-back hairstyle, Salman exuded vintage sophistication. His minimal accessories and calm composure perfectly balanced the grandeur of the outfit. Another unforgettable moment from the evening was when Salman Khan and Sushmita Sen reunited on stage. In a heartwarming video, Sushmita greeted Salman with a hug, making their brief interaction a highlight of the night. Other stars also graced the event, including Sonakshi Sinha and Jheer Iqbal, who gave major couple goals. Sonakshi looked stunning in an embroidered red suit, while Jheer kept it sharp in a black kurta paired with white pants. Bipasha Basu turned heads in a striking all-red ensemble, while Sushmita Sen shone in a black sequin sari, radiating elegance with her radiant smile. The evening was a celebration of Vikram Fadnees' incredible journey in the fashion industry, with Bollywood's biggest stars in attendance to honor his legacy. Celebrities like Genelia D'Souza, Ritesh Deshmukh, Jaya Bachchan, and many more applauded the designer's craftsmanship. Vikram Fadnees' 35th anniversary celebration was truly unforgettable, blending tradition with modernity and showcasing the timeless beauty of Indian fashion. Bollywood's beloved couple, Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif, left fans overjoyed when they announced their pregnancy in September. Now, Vicky is giving fans more insight into his excitement as he prepares to become a father. At a recent event in Mumbai, Vicky spoke candidly about this thrilling new chapter in his life. When asked about his feelings toward fatherhood, the actor couldn't contain his joy and shared his thoughts with the audience. Just being a dad. I am really looking forward to it. I think it is a huge blessing. Exciting times, almost there, so fingers crossed, Vicky said, clearly thrilled about the impending arrival of their baby. Vicky's excitement was palpable as he spoke about how he plans to stay by his wife Katrina's side throughout this special time. His words hinted that the couple's little one may be arriving sooner than expected. I don't think I will step out of the house, Vicky added, suggesting he plans to stay close to Katrina during the final days of her pregnancy. Earlier this month, Vicky and Katrina shared the heartwarming news of their pregnancy on Instagram. In a black and white Polaroid photo, Katrina was seen lovingly looking down at her baby bump while Vicky, with his head resting affectionately against hers, cradled her bump. The couple captioned the post with a heartfelt message. On our way to start the best chapter of our lives with hearts full of joy and gratitude. The couple, who tied the knot in a beautiful wedding at the Six Senses Resort in Rajasthan in 2021, is now eagerly awaiting the arrival of their first child together. Despite the media frenzy surrounding their lives, they have kept their personal moments private, never having appeared in a film together. Vicky's brother, Sunny Kaushal, also expressed his excitement about becoming an uncle. While everyone in the family is thrilled, he admitted that there is also a bit of nervousness as they anticipate the big day. It's happy news and everyone is delighted. We are also nervous about what lies ahead, so we are just waiting for that day to come, Sunny shared in an interview. As Vicky and Katrina prepare for the arrival of their little one, fans are eagerly awaiting the newest addition to Bollywood. With hearts full of love and excitement, the couple is ready to embrace this next chapter of their lives. Sonakshi Sinha turned heads at Vikram Fadni's grand fashion show, celebrating 35 years of the ace designer's iconic journey in the fashion world. But it wasn't just her stunning appearance that got people talking, fans were quick to speculate about her pregnancy. Dressed in a gorgeous red floral anarkali suit, Sonakshi exuded pure elegance. But as she posed on the red carpet, eagle-eyed fans noticed her subtly covering her belly with her dupatta and hand. This sparked a wave of pregnancy rumors across social media. Zaheer Iqbal complimented Sonakshi's look with a classic navy blue bandhagla and white pants. Together, the couple posed for the paparazzi before heading inside the event. Social media was abuzz with speculations. Fans couldn't help but notice the signs and began guessing. One user commented, "Oh, she is pregnant," while another said, "She's looking pregnant." A third wrote, "I think she is pregnant." But this isn't the first time Sonakshi has faced such rumors. Earlier this year, the actress used her signature humor to shut them down. She joked that she had simply gained weight after marriage and playfully blamed her husband Zaheer for overfeeding her. She even shared a screenshot of a light-hearted WhatsApp exchange with Zaheer, adding a touch of humor to the situation. Sonakshi and Zaheer tied the knot on 23 June 2024 under the Special Marriage Act. Their intimate civil ceremony was followed by a star-studded celebration, making headlines across the country. Speaking about their interfaith marriage, Sonakshi shared her thoughts earlier this year, saying, "We were not looking at religion. We were two people in love who wanted to get married. He is not enforcing his religion on me, and I am not enforcing mine on him. We respect and celebrate each other's cultures." As Sonakshi and Zaheer continue to share their love and life with their fans, only time will tell what's next for this adorable couple. Until then, fans are eagerly waiting for any updates, whether it's about a new addition to the family or just more happy moments. television has lost a legend. Actor Pankaj Dheer, best known for his iconic portrayal of Karna in Mahabharat, has passed away. He was 65 years old. Pankaj Dheer's career in the entertainment industry spanned decades, but it was his unforgettable role as Karna that made him a household name. His performance in Mahabharat captured hearts, and his contribution to Indian television is cherished by millions. Feroz Khan, who portrayed Arjuna in the same show, confirmed the news of Pankaj's passing. In an emotional statement, Feroz said, "Yes, it's true. He is no longer with us. Personally, I have lost a very good friend. He was a wonderful person. I'm still in shock and don't know what to say. He was truly an amazing individual. I can't say more right now." The news has shaken the industry. An official statement from CINTA, the Cine and TV Artists Association, expressed deep sorrow, confirming that Pankaj Dheer passed away on 15 October 2025. Pankaj Dheer's contribution to Indian television, his unforgettable roles, and his kindness will always be remembered. His passing leaves a void in the hearts of all who knew him. Rest in peace, Pankaj Dheer. You will always be remembered.